So the final exercise portion of this method book is the rule of the octave. And now this is a huge topic. This could easily be a whole video series covering this, but I'm going to try and keep it short. The rule of the octave is basically a harmonized scale, and I have given you the example in C major, so I'm going to play that first and then I'll talk a little bit about it. Okay, so the scale is in the bass. Like that. This I republished in my book Fundamental Harmony with quotes and paintings in each key and triads to try and to evoke a mood for each tonality. But Kirkman gives us the rule of the octave in all 24 major and minor keys. It's a really incredible thing to see in a method book for guitar. This really shows how harmonically driven guitarists were, because it's not just in this method book, but in many other method books you see a lot of exercises that go into fairly advanced harmonic exercises, modulating to remote keys and things like this, the rule of the octave. So I recommend just practicing the rule of the octave and just bearing in mind that it's a harmonized scale. If you want to get more into it, you can label the chords, and you'll notice that on the way down we have different chords that harmonize the scale than on the way up, then ascending. I don't want to talk, again, this could take up a lot of time talking about this, but once you figure out the chord progression in major and in minor, then it will be the same for all of the remaining keys. Another cool thing you can do is add arpeggios. So you could go sorry, that was a little sloppy, but you can do that. You can add all sorts of arpeggios. Again, I do have the 19th century arpeggio Bible, which has over 50 pages of arpeggios, so if you run out of ideas of your own, you can choose from those. This is a really great exercise for the left hand. If you notice, a lot of shifting chords, little chord shapes like this one. A lot of barring, so it's a really great exercise. If you can go through all 24 major and minor keys, you should email me, because I want to hear about that. I don't think I've done that myself. So there's the rule of the octave. Have a lot of fun.